everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can save video from CapCut to your gallery. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel. Yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, let's go ahead, open up our CapCut app, and for now we're going to tap on this option of edit. And let's say we already have an existing video, simply go ahead, tap on that video of yours. Tap on this option of export that you will get right away on top right, and tap on the save to device. And once it's done, you're gonna go ahead, tap on this done option and go back. Let's access our photos gallery, and in the bottom you can see we have that video of our saved right over there. So that is how simple it is. You can do that as many times as you want. All you gotta do is tap on CapCut, add new project. If you want to add new, tap on add and tap on this icon given on top right if it's a new one, and it will start exporting and it will be in your gallery right away. So that is a way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.